My name is Jorge Henry. Everyone calls me George. I'm an engineer by trade. Welcome to Treasury Wine Stays. This is the Barossa Packaging Centre. We are proudly the largest wine bottling facility in Australia. We're trying to pioneer here. So while we're delivering every day, we're trying to build tomorrow. So we're trying to focus on getting the next level of automation here. So for 20, 30 years, we're actually relying on the same standard automation that we have learned from the auto industry, but now robotics have become fascinating, accessible to our industry. There's a lot to discover, so we're trying to shape new paths of how we adopt this technology to apply to our industry. And that's what's probably part now, like you see with the COBOT. It's very available. Even though engineers actually is my trade, you don't need engineers anymore to do automation. We not only actually fill and pack the product here, we also do gift packing, which is very important. There's some markets in the world that are crazy about everything gift packing that we do around our brands, because gifting is also an experience. It's not just about the wine. The decoration, the detail on the orientation, the quality are very important parts of this. So not everything that happens on this side is about high throughput, high efficiency. It's also about quality and precision.
This is an automated gift boxing cell. So we're using a collaborative robot to install bottles into a gift box. There was a manual handling problem, you could say, on this line where the whole process was very manual. So we were given the task to automate the process.
As a tool maker by trade, I had the skills and experience to come up with a machine that would open and close the box, and we just utilised what we had available with other machines to make a contraption which would do the task.
Nobody wants to do a permanent career of relocating or moving actually a box from here to there. So what we're trying to do with technology is the manual handling, the tedious, repetitive, physically challenging task. And we want the employees to do the value-adding component of it, the control part, the quality aspects, instead of actually just replacing and doing the physical, repetitive part. It might be 2025, but we got the same challenge that 150 years ago the Ford company has when they're doing the first cars, where that manufacturing plant, they started jumping into trucks to go and move materials. The same challenge here in principle is people being a bit apprehensive about staying in the old way just to secure our work instead of embracing new technology, which open a whole new lifestyle. It's embracing technology doesn't actually reprime and push back on employment, actually creates new ways.
You always need specialists. So anyone can put in a bottle in a gift box, but it takes specialists to look after the machines. They need to program the cobots, they need to work with the autonomous vehicles. So I think that it opens up many opportunities for more jobs.
The technology and the robotics that you're using in the school, in your year 11 and 12, is the same technology that you see in our machines here. Everyone has been in high school. I'm probably doing more minor experiences, rolling a robot, moving from here to there, an arm articulating to do some task or grabbing something, a cup of coffee and move it over there. Here we're just the highest scale up of that, but it's the same technology. If you're in high school, you might already have the skill that enable you to do robotics at our facility here. The wine industry needs to become a long-term proposition of employment. We want people to come here and do, like myself, I've done 20 years in the wine industry. I want people to have that journey. Passion, a groundbreaking, and it's an adventure. You shape a path, you don't follow one.